The 39th cabinet meeting was held under the chair of Punjab Chief Minister Sardar Usman Buzdar at CM's office today. The meeting gave approval to further extend the lease of state land in Cholistan and Rahimyar Khan on previous rates to the President of the United Arab Emirates. This initiative of the Punjab cabinet will further strengthen the ties between both the countries. The meeting gave principal approval of 5 billion rupees loan to Ravi River Urban Development Authority for acquiring land. Moreover, the meeting also approved for providing state land for the master plan of Ravi Riverfront Urban Development Project. Authority will present its business plan and financial model for this purpose. Vice Chairman Lahore Development Authority Sheikh Mohammed Imran and Chairman of the authority Rashid Aziz gave the briefing to the cabinet about Ravi Riverfront Urban Development Project. The cabinet simplifies the long process of issuance of NOCs for installing petrol pumping in the province by reducing the issuance period from 90 days to 30 days. The cabinet, under 3% special quota for visually impaired persons, has also approved to give special relaxation in upper age limit in the employment. The Punjab cabinet again rejected the proposal of getting charges in major hospitals. Addressing the meeting, the CM said PTI government has come into power for providing relief to a common man, and user charges cannot be recognized or reconsidered right now. The cabinet also gave approval for the equal syllabus throughout the province. The meeting, in the light of decision of Honorable Court and under Rule 17A, gave an approval of recruitment on permanent basis. The participants also gave approval to pay package and terms and conditions for the vice chancellors of different medical universities of Punjab. Transfer policy 2020 of the Special Education Department was approved in the meeting. Under this policy, teachers and other staff will be transferred near to their residences. Seed money of rupees 100 million from the Punjab government for the endowment fund of National Tourism Coordination Board, Pakistan Tourism Development Corporation was approved by the meeting. Land user plans rules 2020 were also got approval in the meeting for using Punjab local government's lands. Payment issue of construction of 410 bed civil hospital in Bahawalpur was referred to the Cabinet Standing Committee for Finance and Development, which will present the final recommendations after reviewing all the matter. The matter of provision of land for setting up Children Hospital in Gujranwala was also referred to the Board of Revenue. The cabinet meeting also gave approval to the appointment of two members, namely Hassan Ahmed Riaz, advocate, and Khalid Mahmood Chaudhary in Lahore Development Authority Tribunal. Approval was granted to appoint in-service Judge Habibullah Amir for the post of judicial member for the Appellate Tribunal of Punjab Revenue Authority. The meeting directed to review the matters of Director General Punjab Agriculture, Food and Drug Authority. The concerned departments will again present their recommendations after reviewing the matters of the authority. The cabinet meeting postponed the amendment in University of Agriculture Faisalabad Act 1973 Section 21 and agenda with regard to Higher Education Commission Punjab. The meeting also postponed the appointment of Chief Executive Officer of Punjab Industrial Estates Development and Management Company. Chief Minister Punjab and the Cabinet welcomed the new ministers Sayyid Yawar Bukhari and Khyal Ahmed Castro in the meeting. Provincial ministers, advisors, special advisors, chief secretary and secretaries of the concerned departments participated in the meeting.